Are you still hanging on to that single paycheck? Let me tell you, in today's rapidly changing job market, that's a risky move. Did you know the layoffs in the late 2024 are the highest we've seen since 2020, and the rising costs are making everyone anxious? It's time to rethink job security because guess what? It's practically obsolete. In this video, I am diving into something exciting and profitable. I'll be revealing 3 AI side hustles that could earn you up to $500 per day or more in 2025. These aren't just gigs, they are potential career transformers that capitalize on AI revolution. So if you are ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind, gain financial freedom, and be your own boss, then you're at the right place. Stay tuned as we explore these lucrative opportunities that promise not just a paycheck, but a whole new way of working and living. And remember, for resources to kickstart these opportunities, check out the link in the description and comments below. Ready to revolutionize your career? Let's get started. 1. AI consulting. AI consulting isn't just a buzzword, it's a booming industry with potential earnings of $8,000 to staggering $175,000 per project. Analysts predict a mind-blowing growth in the AI consulting market from $11.3 billion to $643 billion by 2028. As an AI consultant, you'll guide businesses in integrating AI seamlessly in their systems, helping them to boost efficiency and stay competitive. Imagine a career where you're the go-to expert for transforming businesses through technology. Exciting, right? Number 2, AI content reviewer. Tired of stumbling upon AI-generated content riddled with errors? As an AI content reviewer, you can play a crucial role in refining AI outputs, ensuring they are accurate and reliable. Platforms like Outlier are always on the lookout for sharp individuals like you to review and enhance AI content, with potential earnings up to $27 an hour and the freedom to work remotely. This gig not only pays well, but also lets you make a significant impact in the AI world. Number 3, AI-powered marketing consulting. Step into the world of AI-powered marketing consulting, where the demand for skilled marketers is skyrocketing. With an industry worth up to $1.5 trillion on the horizon, your expertise in leveraging AI tools for marketing strategies can set you up for a prosperous future. Whether it's optimizing social media campaigns or driving robust lead generation, your role as a freelance marketing consultant can command impressive fees. Providing a stable and lucrative career path, it's time to take the reign of your career. These 3 AI side hustles aren't just jobs. They are a gateway to financial independence and career satisfaction. Start today. Use these insights as your launch pad, and embrace the freedom and potential of working with AI. And if you are eager to jumpstart your freelancing journey, don't forget to check out the free resources linked in the description and the comment below. Before you go, hit that like button if you have found this video helpful, and subscribe for more insights into making big moves in the evolving job market. Your next big opportunity could be just one video away. See you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.